Si Presidente Elpidio Quirino ang founder ng National Security Council. Pangalawang presidente ng Pilipinas mula April 17, 1948 hanggang December 13, 1953. The NSC was created during the Quirino administration through Executive Order Number 330 noong July 1, 1950. Ang original member ng NSA or National Security Council ay Presidente at Vice President, Cabinet Secretaries at mga dating Presidente. Pattern ito sa US. Sa US ay by public law yung National Security Council, sa atin by executive order lang, kaya binago ng Presidente yung National Security Council. Ang pinalitan ay lahat ay politiko. Iba ang wisdom, kaya sinali ang Vice President para sakaling may mangyari sa Presidente, alam ng Vice President mga dapat gawin para ang ating bansa ay moving forward. At kung bakit sinali mga dating Presidente, sila yung mga senior, sila yung mas maraming nakakaalam kaysa sa mga politiko nilagay. So malino ang purpose dito ay para walang intel makuha si VP Sara Duterte. The post ng VTV State Media, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has signed the Executive Order Number 81 on December 30, 2024, reorganizing the National Security Council. Executive Order 81 signed by Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin on December 30, 2024. The NSC will now be composed of the President as its chairperson, Senate President, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Senate President pro tempore, 3 Deputy Speakers to be designated by the Speaker, Majority Floor Leaders of the Senate, Majority Floor Leader of the House, Minority Floor Leader, Minority Floor Leader of the Senate, Minority Floor Leader of the House, Chairpersons of the Senate Committee of Foreign Relations, Senate Committee on National Defense and Security, Peace, Unification and Reconciliations, and Senate Committee on Public Orders and Injuries. Lahat itong mga politiko, sila ilalagay sa Security Council. Sa post ng National Security Council, basahin natin yung reason nila. I-zoom natin para sabayan po natin basahin. The purpose of reorganization is to enhance the formulation of policies relating to national security so that action and decisions thereon by the presidents rest on sound advice and accurate information. It is also premised on the need for timely and coherent action to address current and emerging threats of national security. First time ito nangyari, hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo, ang Vice President tinanggal sa NSC. Ito yung NSC sa Amerika. The NSC is chaired by the President. Its regular attendees, both statutory and non-statutory, are the Vice President, the Secretary of State, the Secretary of the Treasury, the Secretary of Defense, and the Assistant to the President for National Security Affairs. Walang politiko nilagay dyan. Ganon din sa ibang bansa, laging kasamang Vice President at Prime Minister.